Dubai government is one of the best government in the world. I always say that other countries should learn a lesson from the Dubai.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد.
Welcome everyone with your program Peers of Union, who invite the most successful story and person in UAE. Today from Dubai City with Dr. Mahaveer Mehta. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dora.
We are so happy to meet you today.
I am also very happy to meet you.
So today we need to speak about your successful story in Dubai from the beginning. We need to know more details about you to present you for everyone.
I came to Dubai in 1990, nearly over 33 years, and I started my own medical practice. After working in several other different countries, I decided that Dubai is one of the best place to settle down, and I think my decision was very correct.
You have this career, doctor, before coming for Dubai. You have this background. Many persons know your big name also. This historic, we need also to speaking about it.
Yes, of course. I am one of the most senior dermatologists in this country, and I started my career as an assistant professor in medical college in India, and then I got an invitation to start a faculty of medicine in dermatology in Al Fatah University, Tripoli, Libya. So where I was one of the faculty member, and I taught the first 3 batches of students in Libya. And after a successful work in Tripoli, Libya, the Qatar Armed Forces, they invited me to start their dermatology department in Armed Forces, and they offered me a good position in a military uniform position and as a head of the department of dermatology, where I started the dermatology department, and I stayed there for nearly 7 years in military as a chief of the dermatology department. And I loved Qatar, and people used to love me, and I was, of course, being the head of the department in army, so all the important and everybody used to love me, and I was very, very happy in Qatar Armed Forces. And after this my successful work in Qatar Armed Forces, I got an invitation to start again a new dermatology department in International Hospital Bahrain. So they came to Qatar and they requested me to I should join and start a new department in International Hospital Bahrain. So we started International Hospital. I worked there for nearly 2.5 years, and then I was very happy with the Bahrain. I loved that country also, and people used to love me. But then I had a businessman friend. He said that you should not work for government or somebody. You should have a big experience of work in so many countries and good knowledge. So why don't you become owner of your own business? And I think it was a good advice for him. So he helped me to start my visa process and accommodation and office. This was my first center, which opened in May 90 in Dubai, and since then I did not know anybody in Dubai, but because of my work and my efficiency, I became quite famous, and local people and all the other expatriates, they used to love me. And one more thing I want to add, that I succeeded in treating more than 150 nationalities in my clinic. So I became very famous, and I am very busy in my clinic, and we have all the latest state of art equipments in our clinic, and that is it.
Before more than 33 years or 34 years, you choose to be in Dubai, in UAE. Doctor, the medical system in this country changed from this time to today. What's your vision about this medical system, the supporting from the government for all doctors?
Yeah, Dubai government is one of the best government in the world. I always say that other countries should learn a lesson from the Dubai. So not only Dubai government, all the expatriates who live in Dubai, they are very happy in the work, quality of life, security, and children education, which is the biggest gift I got from the Dubai. My children, they got the topmost education in America, and they are today doing best in their field. So I want to thank Dubai for everything, and also I have treated over 140 or 150 nationalities in my clinic, which is a big achievement. This could be a world Guinness Book of World Record. And at the same time, I am enjoying my good social life, good recreation, good golf, good sports, and I am able to attend all the new updates in different countries. I used to travel, I used to lecture several countries. I'm invited speaker and chair for so many places. So I learn, I teach, I enjoy. So I want to thank Dubai government. At the same time, I want to thank Dubai government for giving me Dubai Congress Ambassador Award for organizing a few international conferences in Dubai.
Today, doctor, we need also to speak about your business, your clinic. You have this big name also with this business, more than also 33 years in this clinic in Dubai. So talking about the first step, the idea to open the clinic, how you have some challenge for this first step, or it's easy to do it?
No, private practice not easy. It is more difficult than working in a faculty or working in the government hospital. But in private clinic, you have to have the best of the best knowledge. You should have combination of all the good qualities, like your ethics, your behavior, your friendly nature, your deliver patient the best possible treatment, and then charity, help to the poor people. We don't want to charge money from the poor. We want to provide, we have to have our department best possible equipments in our clinic. Then we should have also the knowledge and experience that how to use the equipment. And we don't, when patient comes to us, we have to design the best possible treatment for that patient to get the best possible result without side effects. Hi, I am Dr. Mahaveer Mehta. I am happy to introduce one of the top peer-reviewed journal of dermatology and aging. It's a great honor for me to be appointed as editor of the most prestigious dermatology journal. We have several top dermatologists from various fields and backgrounds in our editorial board. This is going to be a wealth of resource. With this journal, we look forward to original articles, review articles, case reports, latest dermatology and cosmetic procedures, research, and much more. I strongly request all dermatologists and plastic surgeons around the globe to subscribe and submit your research paper for publication. Thank you.
Doctor, from your position, like also the owner or also the responsible of this clinic, sure that you have some strategy of work to choose the best team, to also have a good quality of service in the clinic.
Yes, I agree that being in a private, because of my old previous backgrounds, I give lot of time and listen to the patient, examine the patient thoroughly, and then come out with the perfect, specific, correct diagnosis. Then we try to find out what is the best we can offer to my patients, what is the best treatment, because when patient goes from 5 different doctors, everybody gives different opinion, different diagnosis, that is not all are not correct. So you have to have a specific, early the diagnose, better the prognosis, better the cure, and safety is very important. So we should avoid writing too many drugs which can have lot of side effects like liver damage or kidney damage, and they may not give any benefit. So we have to be very specific, very precise, very friendly, very ethical in private practice. Then actually I feel that I am very successful in this country.
Sure, the doctor, you have this big name and you have this a good also name for the clinic. So from your side, we need like a motivation message for the new generation of doctors, the person that will see your episode and you see your example for a successful story. So some words from your side for him.
I would advise other junior and senior dermatologists that whenever patient comes to us, we have to make a definitive specific diagnosis, we have to make a definitive good treatment plan, and we should avoid unnecessary investigation, and we should try our best to give best possible management for that particular patient, but at the same time we should have all the best latest equipments present in our clinic for the diagnosis and treatment of the difficult and easy cases, and we have to prove ourselves that we are definitely superior than most other clinics. And most important thing is ethics. Whenever we are in private practice, people say, doctor, we may not trust you, you may talk only about money, or you may talk some wrong advices which we spend more money and less benefit. No, so we advise everybody to be not think of business first, think of the patient, give them best possible care at the best price as possible.
Doctor, thank you so much, but also need from your side like a message for UAE, this country, your story, it's here, your successful story, your business, all your this good step, it was in UAE. So your message for UAE, for the government, for all leaders of this country.
I want to thank leaders of this country, particularly for granting me golden visa, for giving me Congress Ambassador Award, gave me all the comfort and pleasure of working and living in this country. So Dubai is my home, away from home, and I wish all the best for citizens of Dubai, and thank you so much for your interview.
Thank you so much, doctor. We are so happy to meet you today, like a great example. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, everyone. See you next week with Pearls of Union program. Bye bye.